Udoabagu OJIRIVER, the timeless masquerade of Enugu State, originating in 1986 from the revered land of Obiago, Umus in Alagua Akwatachi, eastern Nigeria. Udoabagu OJIRIVER stands as one of the most iconic and enduring masquerades in Enugu State. Born from the creative genius of the OJIRIVER cultural group, this majestic entity embodies the rich cultural heritage of the Igbo tribe, legacy, and significance. Udoabagu OJIRIVER's storied past has cemented its status as a beloved and respected symbol of Igbo tradition. Its influence extends beyond the borders of Obiagu Umus, resonating throughout Enugu State and beyond. The masquerade's enduring legacy is a testament to the OJIRIVER cultural group's innovative spirit and artistic expression. Urban music, the heartbeat of Udoabagu OJIRIVER.